Amazon is on a tear, suspending probably tens of thousands of sellers for having related accounts. It means that Amazon believes that you are involved in more than one account, and that is a really bad suspension to have. We are getting sellers reinstated. I'm going to give you some tips about things that we're finding help get sellers reinstated when Amazon accuses you of having more than one account. Number one, if you are in the process or you already have a private label, that helps you get reinstated. It differentiates you from other sellers who are having the same exact problem. If you're an Amazon seller and you have distribution agreements or authorization agreements from brands, that is also something that distinguishes your related accounts case from the dozens, thousands, or tens of thousands of others. If you have brand registry, that also helps. If you can identify a vendor or a professional like an accountant who is working with many Amazon sellers, no, nuke that. I don't want people to link it back to us. If you can identify other factors that make your Amazon selling account different from other Amazon selling accounts, these are things that you can argue to get your accounts back when they're suspended for Amazon's related accounts. If you want to learn more, if you want the latest information about related account suspensions, go to our blog at AmazonSellersLawyer.com. Go to the blog, put in related accounts into our search engine. There are literally dozens of videos and articles where you can learn how to get your accounts back quickly, efficiently. On that first plan of action, you can do what we do every day for hundreds of sellers. Thank you very much for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please share this video with other Amazon sellers. Share the information on how Amazon sellers can avoid suspensions and get your listings and accounts back if you suffer suspension.